It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another review for you guys. So before we get into this video, you, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. You guys know how I do. I'm just here to give you guys the review, and I'm going to give you guys an on fee, so stay tuned for that on fee. These are set to release December 11th. I know you guys see a lot of people out there with these shoes already, but I'm going to give you guys my review on them. Classic colorway. Now everyone knows the Cool Gray 11s, last released in 2011. It is returning this year to celebrate the colorway's 20th anniversary. This is a dope colorway. It sports a nice medium gray white with a cool gray. That means a lot of people wanted these to come back, and we finally are getting these back, guys. It is coming with the high patent leather. Just like the Space Jams, just like the Concords, and just like the Breads. Big shout out to my brother, man, Soul Chicago, guys. All my day ones and all my people out there, man, go check out my guy Soul Chicago's Instagram. Alright, that's what it looks like right there. The link will be in the description. My bro be selling a lot of kicks, got a lot of heat. Definitely, guys, go give him a follow on IG, and you know, go show some support to my boy Soul Chicago. Big shout out to him for sending these over to me so I can give you guys the review on these. Okay, let's get straight into these beauties right here. Take a look at the box, guys. Pretty good box, I must say. It's not the best. It would have been nice they would have had the slide out box like back in the day, but take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 11 Retro. The colorway is medium gray, multicolor. Retail on these is $225, and they are going to release December 11th. Inside the box, the black paper. Okay, and it is coming like the Concords. You know how the Concords box was? We're going to start off with the front. You got your gray in the front of the toe box and that nice patent leather, nice shine to it. You know what I'm saying? Thick white laces. You got the Jumpman Jordan right there in the gray. And on the tongue, it's like a nubuck material, as you guys can see. Nubuck suede kind of material. Very, very nice in my opinion. See, we got white on the midsole. I don't have the 2010 pair to compare with the colors and stuff like that. Got that high patent leather. Definitely a nice high patent leather cut. I like that. Alright, and on the upper up here, it is all in that nice soft nubuck. The gray eyelids over here. You got the nice stitched in Jumpman right there. Now, as for sizing on Jordan 11s, I say go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Medial side of the shoe real quick. Take a look at the medial. Nice high cut patent leather. Upper is very, very soft. It's got a nice soft nubuck on the upper. I like it a lot. It does change when you rub it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Alright, there goes that booty right there. You got your 23. 23 is in that plastic that, you know, that peels off. It's like that sticker material on the back, so you know that is definitely peeling off. Alright, so you got your 23 back there, nubuck in the back with your patent leather. You guys can see. Now, you know what's crazy, guys? That it does not come with the plastic shoe trees. That is a bummer in my opinion. Take a look at the inner sole, guys. Of course, you do have the thick inner sole that comes in all the OGs for some reason. Gray inner sole with the white Jumpman. Alright, this is how they come in straight from retail, guys. I'm telling you now, trust me when I tell you this is how they're going to look on December 11th. Take a look at that bottom now. It's like a real tinted blue, which is good so it doesn't get yellow that fast. You got your gray hits, and you do got your carbon fiber right in the bottom right there. Your checkerboard carbon fiber. Very nice, very nice. And yeah, man, I just wanted you guys to get a look at these. Big shout out to my brother Soul Chicago. You guys need to go check him out right now. The link is in the description to his Instagram. Go give him a follow on IG. If you guys need some kicks, my brother Soul Chicago will take care of you guys. You know what I'm saying? If you need pairs of these also, hit him up. He's doing pre-orders, all that good stuff. A lot of you guys out there are going to want these. They're coming out in like, what, 2 months? So guys, be ready. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be a perfect gift to give. Dope holiday shoe. And everybody wanted these, and Jordan Brand gave them to us. I want you guys to hit that thumbs up for your boy. Also follow me on Instagram. I got a giveaway going down soon, so stay tuned. And yeah, man, enough talking. We about to get into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm gone.